वेलकम स्टुडंट्स. ज्ञान विज्ञान आणि सुसंस्कार यासाठी शिक्षण प्रसार हे ब्रीदवाक्य देणारे परमपूज्य शिक्षण महर्षी डॉक्टर बापूजी साळुंखे यांना मी प्रथमतः अभिवादन करते. Myself, Professor Sir Jyoti Alice Manisha Sanjay Patil from Swami Ramananda Bharati Vidya Mandir and Junior College, Taskav. We are from Swami Vivekananda Shikshan Sanstha, Kolhapur. We are going to see English Vivek Bharati unit number 3.3, which is section number 3 regarding writing skills. Unit 3.3 is about note making. Before this, we had seen units 3.1 regarding summary writing and unit 3.2 mind mapping. And this 3.3 is note making. Little bit summary writing, mind mapping or note making are interrelated, and these are helpful for the students to get a better understanding of any concept, any content, any passage or any unit, any lesson, any book, etc. All these advantages we are going to see with this unit note making with the help of laptop. Let's see on laptop screen, and you can also see in your textbook page number 148. You are seeing it on the screen, where first you will find note taking and note making. 2 points are introduced to you. Note taking is passive process which is undertaken during lectures. And second point is note making, which we are going to concentrate. Note making is a more active and focused writing skill where a concrete connection between all relevant concepts and words is drawn to infuse or connect all thoughts together by a method. The methods may be making the points, tree diagrams, table forms, etc. Means what? नोट मेकिंग ही अधिक आपल्याला कृतिशील बनवणारी अशी लेखन कला आहे. या कलेच्या आधारे आपण काय करू शकतो तर विविध प्रकारच्या ज्या संकल्पना आहेत, कन्सेप्ट्स किंवा काही प्रकारचे शब्दसंग्रह, या सगळ्यांच्यावरती आपण कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन करून त्यांना कनेक्ट करू शकतो, संकलित करू शकतो. आणि हे संकलीकरण करण्यासाठी आपल्याला विविध प्रकारच्या पद्धती वापरता येतात, ज्यांना मेथड्स म्हणतो किंवा स्टाईल्स म्हणतो. त्या आहेत प्रत्यक्ष पॉईंट्स तयार करणे, ट्री डायग्राम तयार करणे, टेबल फॉर्म करणे. याच्या व्यतिरिक्त आणखीनही काही प्रकारच्या स्टाईल्स आहेत नोट मेकिंगसाठी. वी आर गोइंग टू सी दोज स्टाईल्स with the help of these charts which we have to see on this wall. Let's see the styles of note making. These are making tree diagram, filling up table form, making notes, or maybe graphs. In graphs there are two types: bar graphs or line graphs. Next is pie chart. Next mind map, and the next is flow chart, etc. Pictograms, those are also here for the styles of note making. Let's see this next chart. Next chart is showing you the way of tree diagram. Already you are well known with tree diagrams, and unseen passage given and tree diagram we have to fill. Second point, table form. For this unseen passage and table form is given, we have to fill up the points. Then third type is making notes. Unseen passage is given to us and some points are given, some we have to fill up. Okay. And This method we are using moreover for our study purpose. And tree diagrams we are using for science purpose, especially table forms. These we are using maybe OCM, economics, or even any other subjects. Then this next chart, it is showing you the graphs. Graphs are of two types. Graphs, especially we are knowing with mathematics or environment or economics or sociology, politics, etc. All those surveys and their mentioning with the graphs. This graph is called as a bar graph, and second graph is known as a line graph. And then we are seeing the next chart regarding pie charts. Pie charts, for this unseen passage will be given and circle is given to us. Circle is divided in the points which are mentioned in the passage, and that some points will be given, some we have to complete. In this way the pie chart is the method, and you may use pie charts for the study of geography or even your environmental studies, etc. Then number 6 chart is showing you mind map. Mind mapping already we are well known with our unit 3.2, and in with the help of that unit you are aware of such type of mind maps. Mind maps where again unseen passage given and we have to form the mind map with the help of the given passage. And this next chart is showing you flow charts. Flow charts. In our 11th standard English textbook, you had seen some kinds of flow charts there about that rice. The flow chart was given to you, and in your 9th and 10th standards also you are well known with flow charts. Flow charts, for that what is here, unseen passage is given to you and the flow chart in this way will be given. Some boxes will be empty, we have to fill up that, and here it is the answer for this. So all these are the styles or methods of note making. After knowing the styles of note making, we are going to turn on page number 149. Let's see one by one. On 149, this passage is given to us. This passage is unseen passage, and this passage is regarding Ayurveda, then Vata, Pitta and Kapha dosha, etc. in our body. And after this, on next page 150, you are seeing this type of chart, maybe it is tree diagram is shown to you and some points given, some you have to fill up with the help of that passage just we had seen before this. Okay, and this we have to complete with the help of that. And this next bodily process is showing you table form. So tree diagram and table form, these are given to us for class activity. And then next brainstorming activities you have to complete on your own as a study purpose, as a homework. Here you will see this passage, you have to read it out about advertising, and then on the next page 152 you have to complete the activity and